Okay, welcome to the toes, and as you can see we have mouse tea coming up, but this is a new studio tour, so let's see what we can do with this. Well, we'll see what we can do. Okay, my battery's really low, don't know how well this is going to go. So, made some major changes here in the room, and here is the first one. I'm sure you spot these wire racks all over the place. And as I pan up, you can see I've actually got my some of my boxes up here that I use for organizing that were in my other studio on this wall. If you remember, if you check out the other one, it has, I used to have just a whole bunch of just shelves up on the wall, and now I have this. And with this, I created an actual painting rack, as you can see here. So what this is I went and put these wood slats in between, and they are zip tied to here, so they're stable. Okay, there's one here, and then there's one in the back, and then there's 3 rungs, which gives me just enough space to actually put these right through here. And so let me back up here a little bit so you can see this a little better. So there's the smaller ones up here, my smaller painting canvases, and then here's my larger ones. These are 4 foot, so this section is 4 foot tall, and then this section is like 20 inches, probably about a little bit, 24 inches, something like that. And then I still have space up here for 2 more. So there's that, and you know, this works really well. They do slide around a little bit, but they are really keeping everything nice and organized. I've got 2 of the commercially smaller ones here. Here's a couple more commercial smaller ones, and then here's the larger ones. So these are really becoming very versatile. I've only been working with it for a couple of months now, well, maybe 1 month now. So that's my new organizing. So if you need a painting rack, go ahead and steal this idea. If you come up with a better solution, then let me know. Taking off on this. And then over here, as you can see, I've got another painting rack, and this holds a whole bunch of my organizers. There's all my seeds, a whole bunch of paper, and then a bunch of boxes on the top that goes almost all the way to the ceiling. Not quite, but almost. So got just heavy organizing done. And with this new system, it took everything that was on this wall and put it into these 2 spots. So, and it took stuff from the other side of the room too. So it really helped organize this whole section. Here's my new drawing desk that I got in. This is a smaller one, but it's got aluminum legs, and it's really nice. It's fairly sturdy. Here's one of my little drawing organizers there with a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to be creating work with. You see I got my paper here. Here's my work shelf with all of my suspension stuff that I use for when I create my videos that show you how I make artwork. And let's see, here's my wallet, or not my wallet, my briefcase. And then I got this brand new box. It's really pretty. It's nice red cherry. I'm thinking of making it into a new little drawing organizer box. Forgive the wind chimes. Yes, I have wind chimes that still need to be repaired, still hanging in the middle of the studio, just so you know. So then we've got all of my stuff here with my computer desk, all of my little knickknacks and brickbacks and things that glow in the dark. And this is all the same as in the old studio video that we shot. And just showing off some of my stuff here. Some of my artwork. Stephanie Standish, there you go. There you are. Right here in my studio. And then here's some of the lights that I use. These are some softbox lights. There's actually a light bulb inside of there. And it shines down onto my artwork and my painting area. Here's 2 boxes that I need to actually put away yet because I'm still in the middle of redoing all of this. So still doing a little organizing left here. Some of my window decorations. Little light things that catch the light. Little things that we've had. Like this is shells from the Pacific Coast. Different stones and things that I've picked up from different places that I've gone to. And then let's see, here's behind here, this is a bunch of books and a bunch of other knickknacks and stuff. I still have my high up storage. I'm going to do something with that glass someday. You know, put together a bunch of other glass, glue it all together and make a nice water feature out in the garden. Let's see. That is busted, so we need to actually get that out. I just don't know how I'm going to do it yet because those things are so incredibly heavy. So here's my newest painting. This is my easel that I have that goes up and down. It actually has a handle on the back and a crank system that allows me to actually move these paintings around easily because my back just won't take it anymore. And here's my new seat that I got from think of the word in a minute. That's all kinds of messy. As you can tell, I just got my room at kind of my new organizer done. Here's a bunch of other books that I've got. And here, I used to have some statuary up here, and I I went to put my stuff that I use to those things. I went to put those things on there and realized that this shelf was not actually screwed in, and then everything dumped and it was all shattered. So I had some garden gargoyles, so they're up there guarding the room now. There's one of Phil D's drawing up there, and then come back around, and here's my door on the way back out.